Hello, welcome to the Hero Journey course on Canvas. This is your introduction into the Canvas LMS learning module. First step is you've clicked on Canvas intro and you've played this video, so step one's done. Step two is the syllabus, so you can click here and it'll take you to the course syllabus. Read that to make sure you understand all the objectives that you'll be tested on in this course. After you've completed that, so you can select Next. Here's an introduction to me as your instructor. Now, this is the getting started. So this is the introduction to the Joseph Campbell Hero Journey. There's a video that you will select here to play, and there's a couple other photos. Once you're done watching the video, select this tab to go back, and then select Next for the next module. When you've completed the Getting Started quiz, there's an introduction for your fellow classmates. So this is the Getting Started module, and then it launches directly into the first module. So when you are navigating through Canvas, you can always select to go back to the home button, and it will send you back to the beginning of the Getting Started module. So each module will start by sending you to the website to view the video, and then you just go back to the original window to go back to Canvas and select Next for your next assignment in that module. If you have any questions or get stuck, my contact information is here in the syllabus. Good luck and welcome to the class.